Yeah. Okay, so I was gonna do a 200 special thing, but then I had no idea what to do. But then I come look at my YouTube channel, and I'm already at almost 300 subscribers. Subscribers. That's the horrible pronunciation. Well, so how am I supposed to deal with this now? Because I was planning on doing each 100, I would do a full week of just uploading videos, which is already hard to do since I'm already running out of ideas. I'm gonna leave all this in because, yeah, um, whatever. Still, how am I supposed to do this? Like, calm down. I would appreciate it, but I wouldn't at the same time because you all are lovely, beautiful people. um, I don't know what to do. Maybe a face reveal sometime this week, month. 300 subscribers, I guess. I don't know what to do. You guys can try to like help me out with that. Um, that's pretty much it, really, of the updates. Oh, yeah, also the Bakugo series might be ended. Okay, the Bakugo series might be ended, but it can probably recontinue because I don't want to do a Sasuke X listener thing until maybe later this month or next month, since it's almost end. Anyway, see you guys later. Um, you already know the deal. It's Friday for me at least. One more day of doing a video. I'll do a video today as well, just for you all to know. I usually upload um not daily, but I'm gonna try to do it anyway. See you guys later. Bye.